Fleava Hair Growth Serum. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to review a product called Fleava Hair Growth Serum and oil that will claim that they can regrow your hair. Copper peptides and promote thicker and fuller hair. The serum contains copper peptides and stimulate blood circulation in the scalp to promote the hair growth. Ingredients. Firstly, I will show you the ingredients. That is copper peptides, saw palmetto, ginseng root, biota oriental leaf, and biotin and panthenol. Claims of this website are the manufacturer of Fleava hair growth serum have claimed that it can do following things, that is strength and nourish hair, stimulate hair follicles, minimize hair loss, and repair split end. So the personal experience a user shared, you can read out that on the screen that he got the Fleava hair growth serum because he was being on hunt for something to make their hairs shine and strength as always they expected hair breakage. They saw an ad of this oil on TikTok. There were a lady reviewing this oil and they ordered it. Now after using them for moreover like 4 weeks, they have not seen any difference in their hair. The hair is still in the condition that was in before using this oil. So you can see the user review is not as per the expectation you expect. If you're spending like price of 15 euros, so you definitely expect something good with your hairs. Like the price is euro 15, that is with taxes it's about 20. The con says it's kind of expensive. It's quite expensive for you. Some customers complain of fizzy, dizzy, and light-headed after application. Some customer did not like the smell, and it did not work for the user they have shared. As this is the healthcare product, I will suggest you to go to a doctor and appear then, and then only use the prescribed medicine or the treatment. Thank you so much for watching it.